Hello guys, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'm going to show you how to draft professional business proposals using ChatGPT. Let's get right into it. Writing a strong business proposal is key to winning clients and projects. With ChatGPT, you can create clear, persuasive, and well-organized proposals by providing details about your business, the client's needs, and your proposed solutions. For example, you could say, draft a professional business proposal for a web design project targeting small businesses. ChatGPT will generate a structured document including an introduction, objectives, scope of work, timeline, pricing, and terms. You can then review and customize the proposal to match your brand's voice and specific client requirements. Using ChatGPT saves time, ensures your proposals are consistent, and helps you focus on delivering value. You can also generate different versions to tailor proposals for various clients or industries. And that's it, guys. Now you have learned how to draft professional business proposals quickly and effectively with ChatGPT. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Guide with Samuel for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.